Okay guys, this is the Scandic Grand Central in central Stockholm. This is their economy single room. As you can see, it's for a single person in the bed. Yeah, it's not bad. You've got a couple of lamps there, a thermostat / heating device, some artwork. There's a bit of artwork on most of the walls here. You've got some Led Zeppelin lyrics. A chair and stool, ideal for watching television from. A work desk with safe and recycling bin. They do ask you recycle your items. Notepad and pen, various informations. Very large television. Fortunately, it's mounted flat to the wall. Closed rail with a couple of hangers. Not sure what's in here. Yep, there's your ironing board and iron. Very nice. Your coat hook, shoehorn, the all-important escape plan. And then in behind this giant, shiny black door, we have a bathroom / wet room. And we have usual features. Sink, mirror, some complimentary towels, a selection of lotions and potions. See what they smell like later. And the one thing everybody hangs around for when you do a room tour is always the view, which you pay extra for here. You have to fight through the curtains to see that. That's some arty glasswork, I suppose, but there's not much of a view. I will try and work out what this room cost as I pay for it as part of a package deal, and I'll stick that in at the end. But if you watched this far, let me know what you think. Would you stay here? Oceans roar, we're out here searching for more. Cameras flash, capturing the night, on the road where dreams take flight. Welcome to Rob on the